like a star, like a star. He followed the light and came down to a shed where mother and child were lying there on a bed, and a bright light of silver shone round his head, and he had the face of an angel, and they were afraid. The stranger spoke, he said, "Do not fear. I come from a planet a long way from here, and I bring a message for mankind to hear." And suddenly